Hi friends, welcome to all. In this video we are going to see how to configure Inter-VLAN routing using a layer 3 switch. Here we are going to use a 3-layer switch 3560, also 2 switches 2960, the number of PCs. Right. We will rename these devices. This is a multi-layer switch. We will give us MS. This is ES1. This is ES2. Also we have a number of PCs, PC0, PC1, PC2, then PC3, PC4 and PC5. Now we will connect these devices. Coming to connections, copper straight through. Here we will use FA0/1 to FA0/1. This is for one VLAN, and again we will connect FA0/2 to FA0/24. This is for the second VLAN. Here FA0/2 to this PC0, FA0/3 to this PC1, then FA0/23 to this PC2. So here this PC0, PC1 will be in one VLAN, then PC2 will be in another VLAN. Now we will connect to S2, FA0/3 to FA0/1, then FA0/4 to FA0/24. Then we will connect these PCs from S2, FA0/2 to PC3, FA0/3 to PC4, then FA0/23 to PC5. Here we are going to use two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. We will highlight those VLANs, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. So these two PCs, PC0 and PC1 in VLAN 10. Also this PC3 and PC4 also in VLAN 10. Here is VLAN 10. And these two PCs, PC2 and PC5 will be in VLAN 20. This is for VLAN 20. This is a VLAN 10. Here we will use the network address as 192.168.10.0/24. And this is for VLAN 20. Here we will use the network address as 192.168.20.0/24. Now I would like to label all the ports used in these switches. So here we can see the port FA0/1 on this multi-layer switch, and on S1 FA0/1. So we will label that F0/1. Here also F0/1, and here we can see F0/2, and on S1 FA0/24. This is FA0/2. This is fast Ethernet 0/24. Also here we can see the port FA0/2 which is connected to PC0. Also here we can see FA0/3 which is connected to PC1. We will label that also. F0/2, and this is F0/3. Also here we can see the port FA0/23, which is connected to PC2. 0/23. Coming to the link between a multi-layer switch and S2, here we can see the port FA0/3 and the other side FA0/1. F0/3. This is F0/1, and here we can see F0/4 and F0/24. And this ID is F0/24. Also coming to the PC, so here we can see the port FA0/3 and here we can see this is this is FA0/2 and this is FA0/3. We can verify that once more. Here we can see FA0/3 which is connected to PC4, and this is FA0/2 which is connected to PC3. Here we can see the port FA0/23 which is connected to PC5. See why we labeled all these ports, because we have to assign the correct port to its respective VLAN correctly. Coming to a topology, here we can see the link between this multi-layer switch and S1 as well as this S2. We can see two links. Why we given these two links? Obviously one link is for this VLAN 10 and the other one is for VLAN 20. The same way we can see the links between multi-layer switch and this S2. Now what we will do, we will highlight the needed VLANs for these links. Here we are using this color, right? So this is for VLAN 20. Here we will use this link for VLAN 20. So I would like to highlight this link. And coming to this side, here we will use this link. We'll highlight with this color. Alright. So we'll choose the color for the VLAN 10. And here we will use this link for VLAN 10. Also here we will use this link for VLAN 10. Right. Now if you observe this topology, very easily we can identify the ports which should be assigned to its respective VLAN. If we consider the switch S1, here we can see the port FA0/23 and 0/24 we will assign to VLAN 20. Also here we can see FA0/1, 0/2 and 0/3 we will assign to VLAN 10. Coming to the switch S2, here we can see the port FA0/23 and 24 we will assign to VLAN 20. Also we can see the ports FA0/1, 0/2 and 0/3 we will assign to VLAN 10. Also coming to our multi-layer switch, here we can see the ports FA0/2 and FA0/4 we have to assign to VLAN 20. Also here we can see the fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/3 will be assigned to VLAN 10. Coming to the configuration, first of all we will configure all these PCs. We will configure these VLAN 10 PCs, PC0, PC1, PC4 and PC3. Coming to PC0, and here we can see the network address what we assign for VLAN 10. 192.168.10.0/24. So coming to IP configuration, here we will give the IP address as 192.168.10.10, and here is the subnet mask, and here we will use the default gateway as once more we will copy this. We will use the first usable IP address from this network, 192.168.10.1. Coming to PC1, desktop IP configuration, and here is the address what we are going to use for this PC. We'll use the next address at 10.11, then the default gateway. Then coming to PC3, desktop IP configuration, here we will use a 10.12 default gateway. Coming to PC4, desktop IP configuration, here is the IP address, then the default gateway. Now we will configure these PCs, PC2 and PC5, which is in VLAN 20, and here we can see the network address we assigned for VLAN 20, 192.168.20.0/24. Coming to PC2, desktop IP configuration, and here we will use 20.10, and we will copy this address. Here is the subnet mask and the default gateway. Here we can see 20.1. Coming to PC5, desktop IP configuration. Here is the IP address 20.11, subnet mask and the default gateway. Now we will verify the connectivity. Here we can see the VLAN 10, all the devices will be communicating each other. We can see PC0, PC1, PC3 and PC4 will communicate each other. Also PC2 and PC5 will communicate each other. So we will verify that. PC0, command prompt. Here we will ping to 192.168.10.11. Here we can see we are getting the reply. Now we will ping to 12. Also we will ping to 13. We are getting the replay. We will try to ping to PC2, which is in VLAN 20. That is 20.10. Request timed out. No, we are not getting the replay. Also we will ping from PC2 to PC5. Ping to 192.168.20.11, and here we can see we are getting the replay. We'll try to ping to PC0, which is in VLAN 10. So here we have to give 10.11. We'll give 10.10. This is the IP address of a PC0. Request timed out. No, we are not getting the replay. Here we can see the IP address of each PCs on its respective VLANs. Now we will verify the VLANs. So by default all the ports are connected to the default VLAN, that is VLAN 1. We can verify that using the show command. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. All the ports from FS0/1 till 24, also G0/1 and G0/2, they are assigned to VLAN 1. Coming to S2, show VLAN brief, and here also we can see the same result. Now we will come to the configuration. First of all, we will do it on the switch ES1. Configure terminal. We will set the host name as ES1. We will create the VLAN. VLAN 10, and we will name it as students. We create VLAN 20, name it as faculty. Now we will verify these VLANs. Show VLAN brief. Here we can see the details. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Status is active. Now we will assign ports to the VLAN. Here the first 20 ports, I mean from FS0/1 till FS0/20, we will assign to VLAN 10. Configure terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 till 20. Switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 10. In the remaining ports, we will assign to VLAN 20. We will exit interface range fast Ethernet 0/21 till 24. We will switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Now we will verify the details. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. Here we can see the ports FS0/21 till 24 is assigned to VLAN 20 named faculty. Also here we can see the ports from FS0/1 till FS0/20 is assigned to VLAN 10 students. And the remaining two ports, G0/1 and G0/2, is in the default VLAN. Coming to topology, we can verify these port assignments. Here we can see FS0/1, 0/2 and 0/3. They are in VLAN 10. And here we can see FS0/23 and 0/24. They are in VLAN 20. Now we will do it on the switch S2. Enable configure terminal hostname as S2. VLAN 10 name as students. VLAN 20 name as faculty. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Now we will assign ports to the VLANs. Configure terminal interface or range fast Ethernet 0/1 till 20. We will assign to VLAN 10. Before that, we have to change the mode. Switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 10. Now we'll go to the interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0/21 till 24. Switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Now we will verify. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. The ports FS0/21 till 24 we assign to VLAN 20 named faculty. Also we can see the ports FS0/1 till 20 we assign to VLAN 10 named students. And here we can see two ports, G0/1 and 0/2 is in default VLAN. Coming to topology, here we can verify the port assignment to the VLAN. Here we can see the port FS0/1, 0/2 and 0/3. They are assigned to VLAN 10. And here we can see the port FS0/23 and 0/24 are assigned to VLAN 20. Now we will come to our multi-layer switch. Here we can see the ports FS0/1 and 0/3 we have to assign to VLAN 10, and the ports FS0/2 and FS0/4 we have to assign to VLAN 20. Coming to our switch, enable configure terminal. We'll set the host name as MS. We will create the VLANs. Before that, we will check the VLANs. Do show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. Here we have the default VLAN, and all the ports are assigned to this default VLAN. So we will create a VLAN 10, and we will name it as students. Also, we'll create VLAN 20, name it as faculty. You can verify this. Do show VLAN brief, and here we can see those VLANs created, 10 and 20. Now we will assign the ports to its respective VLANs. Configure terminal interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/3. Switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 10. So here we can see that. Now they are in amber, FA 0/1 and 0/3. We assign to VLAN 10. Now we will go to the interfaces. Fast Ethernet 0/2 and fast Ethernet 0/4. Switch port mode as access. Switch port access VLAN 20. Now we can verify this port assignment. Show VLAN brief, and here we can see the details. Here we can see the ports FA 0/2 and 0/4 is assigned to VLAN 20 named faculty. Also we can see the ports FA 0/1 and 0/3 are assigned to VLAN 10 named students. Here the VLAN 10 and VLAN 20 will communicate each other. No, it won't. Here we can verify that. We will use this add symbol PDU, and we will send from PC0 to PC2, that is from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Here we can see it's failed, but we can try from VLAN 10 to VLAN 10, PC0 to PC4, it's successful. From PC2 to PC5, it's successful. So here Inter-VLAN configuration we have to do now. Yes, so here we have to do two more configuration. The first one is we have to enable IP routing on this multi-layer switch MS. Also we have to create two new interfaces on this multi-layer switch MS to provide IVR. Coming to the configuration, enable configure terminal. Here we are going to enable IP routing on this multi-layer switch by giving this command IP routing. Now we will create the interfaces for the VLANs 10 and 20. Interface VLAN 10. Here we can see the interface VLAN 10 changed state to up. So here we will give the IP address. Here for the VLAN 10 we given the default gateway as 192.168.10.1. Now we have to give the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Now we will create the next interface VLAN 20. And here we can see now this interface VLAN 20 also changed state to up. We will give the IP address. So here we used 192.168.20.1, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. We can verify that. Show IP interface brief. Here we can see that VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Here we can see status is up, also protocol up. Now we will verify the connectivity. Coming to PC0 command prompt. Here we will ping to the default gateway of a VLAN 10, that is 192.168.10.1. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Also we will ping to the default gateway for the VLAN 20, that is 20.1. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC0 to PC3 in the same VLAN, that is VLAN 10, coming to PC0. Ping to 192.168.10. It's 12. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC0 to PC2, that is from VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Ping to 192.168.20.10. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will do it from PC2, which is in VLAN 20. First of all, we will ping to the default gateway 192.168.20.1. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we'll ping to 10.1. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC2 to PC5. Both are in a VLAN 20. It's 20.11. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Now we will ping from PC2 to PC0, and that is from VLAN 20 to VLAN 10. Ping to 192.168.10.10. Here we can see we are getting the replay. Here we can see the IP address of the interfaces VLAN 10, VLAN 20, what we configured on our multi-layer switch MS. Well, in this video we have seen how to configure Inter-VLAN routing using a layer 3 switch. Friends, if you have any doubt in this topic, please comment below. Also, if you like my video, give a thumb and share with your friends. And if you like to get this type of videos in future, consider subscribing. Thank you.